What happens when you follow your own dream, your own rules, your ambition, your passion, and when you absolutely refuse to let anyone or anything get in your way? For Bodo, a car was never just a means. It was the end. It was identity. And this is who I am. This is what I stand for. He built a legacy on the belief that extraordinary was the only standard worth having. A legacy that lives on stronger than ever. A car that can only carry one name. Yours. This is for you. This is Bodo.